welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about people who wear glasses and how to make your makeup look bomb even with glasses on. So if you want to see how to do your makeup to enhance your eyes while you're wearing glasses, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so obviously I'm going to take these off to do my makeup. So I've already moisturized my face and I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Soap & Glory One Heck of a Blot Primer and put that all over my face. You really want to make sure when you're wearing glasses that you have something that is gonna mattify your area in the middle, because you are gonna be wearing glasses, which means it's probably gonna get really greasy right here. It's gonna slide down. It's gonna, make those awful marks that we can never avoid. So with that being said, just make sure that you have a primer that is gonna stick, that the foundation is really gonna adhere to in your cheek area. So now that I've applied that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some foundation. So for foundation today, I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 102. This is just a really good foundation for me. I know it's gonna last, keep me matte. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna apply this everywhere. Let me get a mirror because you girl can't do this without a mirror. So I'm using this Flower Beauty sponge, and I love how soft it is, but I feel like it really soaks up a lot of the product. Like, I don't get nearly as much coverage out of my foundation with this sponge on, more so like than my Real Techniques one. Anyway, so yeah, I just feel like I don't get as much coverage with this sponge. I also need to put a headband in my hair when I do my makeup. I do it while I'm not on camera, but when I'm on camera, I look like an egghead, so I never put a headband on. So next, I'm obviously going to apply some concealer, and I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in 15 Fair and the ColourPop No Filter concealer in Fair 02. This is much too dark for me, and this is much too light for me, so I'm just going to mix them and kind of get a perfect match. You see what I mean though? That looks straight up white on me. We're also going to be taking this concealer onto our lids today, just as a base for the eyeshadow. So this next step is going to be super duper important for the glasses wearers out there. No, baking is not for everyone, but you need to make sure when you are applying your makeup in the mornings when you're wearing your glasses to really set this area. The more you set it, the less likely it is for those glasses. The glasses are going to slide down your face, that they're going to leave those marks. So for me, I'm going to really heavily bake that area, as I always do anyway. But for those that usually don't, and you get those really bad lines where your glasses are, or if they slip and slide, this is really gonna help. So yeah, you might not even have to bake. You might just have to like set it like you normally don't set it, but you'll just have to set it. This is key. This sponge is really good for baking though. So I'm bringing it down a little bit, taking it onto the lids, put that concealer down. Can't forget about those smile lines. Okay, so I'm just gonna let those areas sit for a few minutes, and then we are gonna move on to the rest of the face.
Oh, the sun sets free. Oh, he's free indeed. I'm a child of God. Yes, I am.
That's right. You're a child of God. He loves you. Next, I'm going to be going in with bronzer. Not even going to tell you what I'm using. Y'all already know. I already know, Dale. I just dug my finger into that bronzer. I'm gonna throw up. I really need to put more effort into my hair on a daily basis. Y'all see it curled often on my channel, but most of the time my hair is up. Next, gonna use my tried and true Milani Luminoso Baked Blush. Make them cheeks pop. This is another thing. So this is a normal routine for me, but putting on a good amount of blush and putting on a shiny one is really gonna enhance the cheeks with your glasses on. So this is just another thing that you can do, another tip that will really help bring out the other features in your face besides, just everyone seeing your glasses. Highlighter time. Pixie by Petra Glowy Gossamer Duo Subtle Sunrise. Look how much I've already used of this, by the way. Can you see it? It is toe up. Toe up. So another thing that's really gonna make the other features of your face pop is highlighting the nose, highlighting the forehead right above your brows, and your cupid's bow. These are really just gonna catch the light and draw attention to those areas, which I already do anyway. A lot of these steps I already do, but these might be steps that you guys would like to try in order to, you know, draw attention elsewhere besides your glasses. So that's another tip. Okay, so next we're gonna be doing some brows. I know a lot of times your eyebrows don't show when you have glasses on, so a lot of people can just throw some brow gel on. Me, I have to have brows on. I just have to. Like, I just have to put them on. So I'm gonna be using my Brow by Benefit in the shade 5. I thought I had 4. It's almost like a mix between a gel and a powder because it's a little more dried out. So it's like super easy to work with, and I love it. I live, I die. So this past weekend I went to Gainesville to see one of my best friends. It was her birthday a couple weekends ago, and she celebrated it this weekend. And I met a lot of her friends that go to school with her up there that she's met through like some of her clubs that she goes to at school and stuff like that, and I'm obsessed with them, and I already miss them, and I cannot wait to go back and see them again. They are all amazing. And also another thing I really like about this Brow, when it's a little more dried out, I've had this for months, like probably almost a year, if not more. Oh no, I messed up. I can't talk and brow at the same time. It makes your eyebrows look really natural. Like, it just looks like your natural. Okay, I'm really messing with this brow. Let me just calm down for a second. Could you just like chill for a sec? What's that from? I better know. Y'all better know. Better. I don't know what's up with me tonight. I'm a little off. That's gonna have to do. It's gonna have to do because I'm not spending any more time on brows tonight. Setting it with my tried and true brow stylist plumper from L'Oreal in medium to dark brown. I'm trying to look at it through that. Got some on my eyebrow. I mean on my skin. What's new? Okay, so these are where the biggest tips are gonna come in when it comes to glasses wearers and how you really wanna make your eyes pop when you're wearing glasses. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is take your eyelash curler, curl those lashes, make them as tall as possible. When they go straight down, that kind of closes off the eyes a little bit. So when you curl them, it opens them up. And this isn't something that I do every day, but when I wear my glasses, I really focus on curling these lashes. And so what I like to do is I like to put my eyelash curler on, put it at closest to the base as you can, and pump it. So you're gonna pump it like a few times at the base, and look at that. I don't know if you can see it. Here, wait, can we zoom in? I don't know if you can tell still. Anyway, so I'm just pumping my lashes. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do the other eye. This eye is always so much harder for me to do. I don't know what my issue is. So next, you're gonna need 2 eyeliners. You're gonna need a black one, and you're gonna need a nude one. So you're gonna need, this is my favorite black eyeliner pencil. I don't really wear black eyeliner pencils very often, but when I do, it's this one. It is the Unless Silky Eye Pen by Pixie by Petra. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Oh, I thought I was gonna make that noise. I'm gonna show you this on my hand, watch. Super black and creamy, like super pigmented look. Look how like creamy it is. I'm trying to, this is really hard to do. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit for a second, and I'm gonna show you how budge proof this eyeliner is. So while we're waiting for that eyeliner to dry, I'm sorry, I keep looking at the monitor every single time. Every single time. I was doing so well in the last video, but now I'm back. Looking at the monitor. Okay, together. So then I'm going to take this on my lower lash line. Y'all have seen me use this before. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Eye Pencil in, what's that shade? Nude beige. Okay, so this is the one we're going to put on our lower lash line. So we're going to just stick that in the waterline. This is really going to open up the eyes. It's going to be the same color as your skin, and it's really going to make the eyes look a lot more open. Okay, so the under eyes are done. Super easy. Okay, let me show you this. Let me show you these eyeliner. Look at this. Look, look. There's nothing on my hands. Nothing. It is so good. This is gonna go on your eyeliner, on your waterline, your upper waterline, and it won't budge. It won't budge. I don't wear eyeliner because it always transfers to my lower lash line, like in my, where I just put that nude liner, and I hate that. I think it looks, well, it just closes off my eyes a lot, so I don't really like that. But this one is amazing. So you're gonna, this is super hard and it's kind of itchy, you just gotta get used to it. But this is like the #1 tip I have when you wear glasses. If you want your eyes to be a lot more open, take this, put a black eyeliner on your upper waterline. This is gonna make your eyelashes look a lot more full. It's gonna make them pop. It's gonna make them look so much larger than they actually are, and it's gonna make them, I'm sorry, I'm having trouble. This is really gonna make your eyes look a lot more bigger than they are even with glasses on. So I'm gonna apply this to my upper waterline. Let me show you. Let me just show you. Okay, so I'm gonna apply it with this one and not with this one, and you'll see the difference. Okay, so this one has the black on the upper waterline and this one does not. So you might actually not be able to see much of a difference now, but especially when you put mascara on, this is gonna make your lashes look so much fuller, which is gonna in turn make your eyes look a lot more big, full. The lashes look fuller, like key. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my upper waterline on the other eye, and then I'm gonna apply some mascara. Wait, before we apply mascara. So another step before we put on the mascara, I don't know why I'm going ahead of myself. We have to put something in the crease just to define it a little bit more. This is gonna make it look a lot more big. It's gonna make it look a lot more defined. It's gonna make your eyes stand out even more than they would if they didn't have this in the crease. So I'm just gonna take my butter bronzer and I'm just gonna lightly sweep that into the crease, just in the crease. Like heavily focus it in the crease. I'm even gonna pinch it. I'm gonna run it along my lower lash line. This is gonna open up the eyes all around. So you can see, look at this eye and look at this eye. This eye's a lot more open, a lot more defined, but it still looks very natural. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that to my other eye. Okay, so now it's time to apply the mascara. So I'm just gonna be taking my Tarte's Camera Lashes mascara. I really like this one for making them look super volumized and lengthened, you know, that type of thing. So now that we've curled our lashes, they're gonna stay all day, and this mascara is just gonna make, it's gonna make your eyes pop. Also, I didn't mention it earlier, with them being curled up, it's a lot less likely to flicker up against your glasses. Y'all know what I'm talking about. When I wear my glasses, that's all they do is flutter up against that little thing until I started curling them. It's a game changer. You gotta do it. This mascara is everything. Thank you, 21 Days of Beauty Ulta. That didn't even make any sense, but it's fine. Oh my gosh, I'm getting mascara everywhere. What's wrong with me? Okie dokie, guys. So this is the finished look. Got my glasses on. Please disregard the entire ring light being in my lenses. These are supposed to be no glare lenses, and I don't really know how that works, so I'm not sure anyway. So yes, this is the final look. Eyes are popping through the glasses. Got that glow on, got the pretty cheeks, got the eyebrows. See, mine don't even show, so I didn't even really need to do them, but it's fine, it's fine. Got a pretty lip on. So yes, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. A lot of these tips will really help your eyes pop through the glasses, the curling of the lashes, the extra coat of mascara, the lining of the upper waterline is key. That's really gonna help. And also mattifying this area, powdering it a little bit extra so that you don't get those smile lines as bad, and that so they don't like fall down your face. Before I did these things, every single time I wore my glasses, it was a mess. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Leave any video suggestions down below. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye guys. Hey, what's up? My name is Libby and I can't do my eyebrows without getting eyebrow gel all over my skin. Oh! That was such a good pop.